Hi everyone again. So this part will be only regarding Ethereum and Bitcoin. If you want to watch about SP500, want to know more about Bitcoin dominance and USD dominance, then please go and watch this video that is uploading right now. So I will continue in this part only about Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let me start with Ethereum and turn off all this EMAs, all the noise that we have here. And if we go to Discord, if you're in Discord, I was writing already before on 4th of July about Ethereum and my view regarding Bitcoin. Let's see if it's playing out. So for me, it was really important to see a daily close above 0.5 on Fibonacci or 2492. This level comes also to a strong support level. If we look at the history, we can see that the price was always respecting this area, and as a result, we got this daily close above 0.5, then this a bullish bounce, and currently price is trying to break above 0.618 on Fibonacci and still holding above this daily FEG. But let's go to high time frame and see first what is going on high time frame as well. I will go to monthly time frame. My monthly time frame is for me neutral, like it's not bearish or bullish. It retested two important zones on a resistance zone. It's a monthly FEG. On a support zone, it's monthly FEG as well. So from here, of course, from here it can go to any direction, but I'm more bullish because if we look on a bigger picture, we can see that Ethereum had this downtrend. It bounced already from this monthly FEG. By the way, here I had a limit order to buy, but I canceled it just a few days before this crazy drop and thought that it will come just a bit lower towards to $1,200, $900. But we have what we have now, and a price gave a crazy bounce. So yeah, we had this downtrend, then bounce, retest of the monthly FEG, then rejected, we dropped and retested this monthly FEG below, also this bullish order block, and currently on a lower time frame we already had this bounce back. So price already recovered. Then look at the RSI. RSI is above 50. So I'm expecting this month to finally see this crazy bullish move on Ethereum. Also, if we go to lower time frames, for example, 2-weekly time frame, we can see this crazy bullish close on a 2-weekly time frame. Look at this. Price dropped, retested this 2-weekly FEG, and currently this close of current 2-weekly time frame was higher than the previous one. Look at this body. The close of the body is higher than the previous one. Okay, so it even closed above the resistance zone. Next, let's go to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. So what do we have? We had this ascending move, almost came to weekly FEG and rejected again. Retested this weekly FEG below support, and currently the price has formed this weekly FEG here on a weekly time frame, right? And then currently it's just neutral. It's not giving us a proper answer that it's bullish or bearish, but according to higher time frames it is more bullish. But let's go to 3D. Maybe on 3D we will have something else. Since weekly is not giving us any proper answer, probably we can find something interesting on 3D. And 3D time frame is really interesting. So we can see this on look on the RSI. On RSI it looks like this pattern cup and handle, if I'm not mistaken. So look, look how RSI is going like around, right? And it's looking more upwards. So I would want to see something like this on the RSI near future. And if we look here on a 3D, the price is consolidating above this resistance zone, right? The support zone, I mean, above 0.5. And then look what is also interesting. This close. So every close is higher than the previous one. This 3D is higher than this one. This 3D is higher than this one, right? So it's giving us a standing move. So anytime there should be a breakout higher. So even in Discord, I was writing that it's better to try to accumulate the position here. I'm expecting near future to see a move of 25% easily. It will be crazy move. People will be shorting, and they will move. They will miss this bullish move. 2D also. It looks almost similar like 3D, and daily time frame. I already talked about it. As long as the price is above 0.5, there's nothing to be worried about. And even if it will give a close below 0.5, then next stop's gonna be this levels below. But I think it already retested. Look, even this move when we had this crazy bounce, price dropped and retested the daily FEG, this bullish imbalance here, and bounced again. So today, tomorrow, upcoming days, I'm expecting this bullish move on Ethereum, and I would recommend to accumulate your position here. And also on RSI, it flipped 50. Usually if RSI is above 50, it has more chances to the bullish trend continuation. So yeah, on the most time frames, on the high time frames, I see only bullish scenarios. 4D, let me check 4D. So 4D, 4D needs to break above 2,600. Once we will see on 4D, I say, on 4-hour time frame, a close above 2,600, and let's check. Yeah, it also comes to 0.61 on Fibonacci. Let's say once we see a close above this zone, then just expect a pump towards to this area, 2,800. So Ethereum could give us a move of 10% easily. So yeah, I'm definitely bullish. I'm not bearish here, even though I see a lot of tweets. People are being bearish on Ethereum, but I think it already did its bearish move, liquidated all longs and also shorts. Probably someone was shorting here, and with this bullish move, it already liquidated both positions. So yeah, I'm bullish on Ethereum. I suggest to accumulate here and wait for the bullish trend continuation. Now let me continue with Bitcoin itself. So what do we see here? Let me delete. Yeah. So Bitcoin has interesting price action. Right, so it did a bounce from this daily FEG, then rejected from this resistance line, right? Then we can see that it's basically holding the support area at around 0.61 on Fibonacci, right? So if you remember from previous videos, and I think I was writing about it on Discord, that very important the price to be held above 106,500. As long as the price is above it, it has a chances to continue its bullish trend continuation. So we can see this breakout currently from this resistance line, right? Some retest, and as long as the price will continue consolidating here, it will has a chance to give us another bullish move towards to this 1.41, 1.61 Fibonacci levels. On daily time frame, I don't see anything like critical right now or super bearish, like it's just neutral. For bearish trend continuation, we need to see the price breaking below this 0.61 on Fibonacci. In this case, we can expect again retest of this lows. I have here this level highlighted at around 101, 500, 102, 500 areas. We can see here this bullish on the block, and if I put this Fibonacci, we can see, I mean, from this low to this high, we can see that 0.75 also comes to this, exactly to this interesting zone to buy. So in case price is losing from current level, from 108,890, price is gives us a bearish close. It means it breaks below 0.75, then it breaks below 0.618 on Fibonacci. In this case, we can expect a bearish move towards to 0.618, 0.75, or 103,694, 102,251 levels, or 5 to 6% of the move down on Bitcoin. As long as price is holding above current area, this zone 106,500, 108,300, there's nothing to be worried about. We can have some consolidation and then the break out towards to this new all-time high. This is about daily time frame. Let me check. Honestly, monthly nothing, not gives me anything. 2 weekly looks pretty bullish. 2 weekly, we can see that the price did retest of this 2 weekly FAG, very bullish 2 weekly close. So upcoming 13 days, I would want to see a bullish trend continuation towards to this Fibonacci levels. Weekly, neutral, nothing so far. As I said, it could go lower, even though 2 weekly looks pretty bullish. 3 weekly looks interesting. 3 weekly is showing us this consolidation above 106,000, 107,000 level area, right? And as long as it is above, there's nothing to be worried about. Let's go to 4 hour maybe and see what is going on 4 hour time frame. Maybe there will be some stronger signs of bears. Let me just leave it here so we will not be distracted. So what do we see on Bitcoin on 4 hour? I will probably use EMAs here. What do we have? So we can see this chaotic price action. So we had a move up, we bounced from this 2026 EMAs. Price couldn't break above this resistance zone, this last high, rejected, and as a result it came back to this 4 hour FEG or this interest zone from where the price did this pump, right? Then pumped again, could break above this resistance zone, but again rejected from this previous high of June, rejected, retested again this 4 hour FEG or 50 EMA, now again rejected from 4 hour FEG. So we can see that it's giving us lower highs, right? Now if we want to see a breakout upcoming near hours, we should see a higher low, which means price should hold this 4 hour FEG or this 50 EMA or 108,185 area. In this case, after some consolidation, it can give us a breakout. You see that here should be formed a higher low, right? This was our low, there should be our higher low. In case the price is giving the lower high, losing this low, then we can expect the price coming back to this low. In this case, again, we should see either the higher low, right? The low should be higher than this one. In this case, the price can continue its bullish trend, or in case we see the lower high, in this case, price can go just lower to one of these support zones and then bounce. So yeah, it looks a bit messy, but on 4-hour, I would pay attention to this level, then to this area, and then of course to this zones on Fibonacci. All right, so this is more low time frame. Even though 2 weekly looks beautiful, 3D looks beautiful so far, but 4-hour we can play like this. You can try to short from here. No, I would suggest to short only if the price will give a close below 108,185. Then you can keep your short towards these levels here. So this is all regarding Bitcoin. Now let's do the giveaway. Time for the announcement of this giveaway. To make it fair and real, I decided to go to all these accounts that were participating. So what I noticed that most accounts don't even follow me. Okay, they just put like, retweet and repost, and that's it. I don't like this because in this giveaway also participating some of my good friends, some of my Discord members, and I really want to make it fair. So what did I do? I had to go through all these comments. Yes, there were over 100 comments, and I had to write down each nickname, and I put it here. So I have a name of the participators who did all these rules, and main is also they wrote done. Okay, it was not just like and retweet and that's it. No, you should follow, you should also write done. All right, so let's make it serious. I want to make it fair, and now let's see who will be the winner. We will wheel this thing, and good luck. Number 1, who is the first winner? Let's see. SMT Hunter X. Oh, I remember this account. He even was writing on Instagram. Yeah, so I'm sure that this account follows me. He did even the retweet. Everything is good, so congrats. I'm really happy for you because I remember him also on Instagram. Congrats. Now the second one. Who is the winner? Gio. Oh, it's a winner. Okay, NFT Army. NFT Army, let's check your account. Okay, you follow me. And you have 100,000 of retweets. Let's check. Let's check if he did retweet of my post. So it's July 4th. Mine was July 1st or something. Oh my god. Actually, there were a lot of accounts like this and that only do retweet of giveaways. It's crazy though. Yeah, it's not even loading. But I think that you did retweet of my post. All right, so congrats. And the last one. Who will be the last one? Aboma. Now let's check your account. Funny picture. Why it says something wrong? I think I have some problems with my internet. I don't understand. Okay, well, I cannot do anything right now. Something is wrong with my internet. So we have 3 winners. Another thing what I want to say, I will tag all the 3 winners on the next tweet, and please reach out to me. If you will not reach out within, I don't know, 2 days, then I will have to again round this wheel and choose another winners. All right, so thank you all for the participating. I think this was pretty fair, right? And yeah, please stay updated for the next giveaways. Thank you so much. Bye bye.